Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We start here on the daily time frame. Just a reminder that Ethereum has not yet confirmed a substantial low, and also a reminder that this wave 4 that we're currently witnessing here, which is a corrective pullback in an overall uptrend, is very deep for a fourth wave, and therefore we just have to be on the side of caution with Ethereum. I still give the bullish scenario a chance, but cannot rule out that even on the smaller time frame we're going to go down lower. Either way, there is no confirmed low in place. That's very important to understand. The daily chart is helpful because it shows us how extended this fourth wave actually is compared to the wave 2. So while this is a valid scenario, it is still a very protracted wave 4 and indicates weakness in the chart because the bulls have not started to show up where they could have, right? They could have showed up here around early August, and they just haven't done that. And there was a chance, and well, they have done it temporarily, but couldn't drive the price higher in 5 waves. We haven't broken above the 2021 highs yet. So we remain, it is still a chart that is weak, and we have to just be extremely careful not to assume too much, because first of all, I want to see a local low confirmed. We're not there yet. Once we get a local low confirmed, ideally in this area, then we can look for higher prices. For now, I'm still looking for lower, but this is obviously a key spot because the price has reached a very important Fibonacci ratio, the 61.8 retracement at $1,790, one of the key support levels that's been on the chart for months. And it's, to be honest, I think it's been on the chart for a year since that March high. And this is now being tested. So it's a key spot, it's a key level. So this is an area where I'm watching for a reversal, but I need to see some signals. So that's what we are going to take a look at on the smaller time frame. Ultimately, what we want to avoid is a sustained break, a decisive break below that $1,790 level. Yeah? This is a diagonal structure to the upside. If it is the white count, it is a diagonal pattern. And in a diagonal structure, the third wave would be an A, B, C structure. Now, there are 2 levels that do matter for me in a diagonal pattern when we're talking about a fourth wave correction. The first one is the 61.8 retracement. That does really matter as a key level because any decisive break below it is normally too weak for a wave 4, and then ideally the structure will likely change. However, technically it would still be valid even if we go lower. Now, the other level is the low of the B wave in wave 3. Yeah? And this low of the B wave is located at 1530. This is a level that acts as next support should we see a break below 1790. In this case, usually that B wave is hovering around, that B wave low is around that previous, that 61.8 retracement. In this case, it's much deeper. So just highlighting, look, this would be the next support level to watch should the price go any lower. Yeah, 1530. On the daily time frame, there are some additional support levels we have on the smaller time frame that we're going to take a look at now. But the smaller time frame structure hasn't changed. It rather looks a little bit like a bearish flag on the micro level. And I don't worry too much about the microstructures here. They are really only there to give us support and resistances. What I want to communicate here, it is still possible that we get a larger wave 4 bounce, which is actually what I've been watching for, and then a move down. So this is still possible. This could be a triangle. If the triangle breaks to the upside, it could be the beginning of that, or it could indicate that we're getting that rally maybe to $2,085. Any break above $2,085, which is here a resistance level, could indicate that a more substantial low is in. But until we get to that level or break above it, there is no confirmation a substantial low has formed, okay? There is no confirmation that this substantial wave 4 has actually bottomed. We just have to let the market breathe a little bit, even in short-term bearish scenarios. This could simply be a corrective rally with one more low. Of course, it can go down directly. I've got 2 scenarios that point to the downside. Either this triangle go down, or after a larger corrective rally, then down. So therefore, I'm still in favor of one more low. But as I said, generally, this is an area where I'm watching for a reversal. Only a 5-wave move up above resistance, above 2085, would confirm a low is in. And at the moment, yeah, there is a micro support area I'm watching between 1797 and 1880. As long as this is holding, I keep the door open for higher short term, yeah, and then we'll have to see how the price reacts to $2,085. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on X, on our X profile here. Later today, I will publish a video about ETH-BTC, yeah, exclusively for you guys on X. It's a very active community there. Come over. You'll find a link in the comments section pinned, and we can have further discussions here on X. It's just much more active and direct compared to YouTube, where it's more like, more passive. So yeah, check it out, and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye.